Hey guys, Jim Boyer, Marketing Manager at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio. And I tell you what, I am so excited to show you what I'm about to show you. This has got to be my favorite truck, probably of all time. And I tell you what, this thing has got so many features on it, it will just blow your mind. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. All right guys, here it is. This is a 2018 Ford F-150. But it's the Platinum series, and wait until you see what this truck is all about. First of all, the engine in it, it's a 3.5 liter twin turbocharged, which means you're going to get a lot more horsepower that you would out of comparable to a larger engine, but you've got the smaller engine, so you're going to get better fuel economy. So this thing is just drop dead gorgeous. First of all, here's the Platinum. You can see that right there. It's one of the high-end trim models. You've got the turn signals on your mirrors. Actually, it's got a feature built into it. If you've got a car coming up behind you on this right here, this is going to illuminate, as will your other mirror. Let's back away. You're going to see the dark tinted windows on this truck. It does have running boards. I'm going to show you this in just a moment. They're retractable. Awesome. And you can see it does have a tonneau cover on the back of it. Get back here. It does have a backup camera. The camera is actually right here. Now you want to check something cool out? Watch this. Hydraulic. Isn't that awesome? Does have the hitch ability on here. It's got the lighting. Now check this out. Blind spot radar. Blind spot, so if you got someone coming up, you're backing up, someone coming up behind you, it's going to alert you. How cool is that? Okay, we'll take a look at the driver's side. So we'll walk on in here. You do have keyless entry. You see that right there. So let's take a look inside. Get ready to get your mind blown. And I do mean get your mind blown. Now the retractable running boards. Anytime you go to open a door handle, I want you to watch down here. See them come out? Or shut the door, and they're going to retract on both sides. How cool is that? Guys, look at this interior. Two-tone, absolutely gorgeous. And the amount of leg room back here, this thing is just incredible. Now, you want to see a great thing about this truck? Look up overhead. 2 sunroofs. Didn't I tell you this thing is nice? Now, in the rear, you've got USB ports. You've got, you know, if you've got a regular 3-prong item you need plugged in, you can do that. Well, this thing is just crazy. Look at this. Heated seats. You got heated seats in the back of this. All right, we're going to go ahead and climb up inside here in just a second, show you the door panel here. There's your window controls, mirrors, but it's got presets, 3 of them for your seats. So 3 different people can get in. You can adjust it where you want. Just hit a number for the person getting in and bam, it puts your seat right back exactly where you wanted it. And yes, they are powered. So let's go ahead and climb in. Okay guys, we're on the inside. I'm going to go ahead and start this thing up. It does have push button start. You can see I'm getting ready to push the button right here. There you can see it firing up. So let me go ahead and pull the camera back. This thing is beautiful inside. I mean beautiful. Look at that color on that. But you go over here, you'll see the LCD monitor up here. Climate control. 4-wheel drive, gear shift, 2 cup holders, beautiful interior. First one over top the cab, and that one over the back. But anyway, let me pull the camera in. You can see the mileage on this thing, 61,173 miles. You do have controls on your steering wheel. On the left for your cruise control. This section will work. Your instrument gauges up there. Does have Bluetooth capability, hook up with your phone on this side, volume controls. But there's something else I want to show you real quick. Hold on just one second. Okay guys, this is what I wanted to show you. This button right here, when you push out, see your pedals are moving closer toward the seat. So depending upon the length of your legs, you can adjust those to fit you. Isn't that cool? And then this button here, if you watch, your steering wheel is going down and it's raising it all by the push of a button. How cool is that? Okay guys, now here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and depress the brake. There you can see the rear view camera, and it also gives you side view. I mean, this thing has got so many advanced features, it's crazy. 4-wheel drive, 2-wheel drive, trailer backup assistance, braking adjustments, so if you're pulling anything, climate control, you got dual climate control with this, heated and cooled seats up front, awesome. And you got 2 USB ports down there, great looking gear shift, 2 cup holders, storage area, cup holders, and bam, you can put a ham, an entire ham or a turkey down in that thing. That thing is crazy. Now look at the back. Isn't that just beautiful color? And leg room, oh my gosh, you could fit a small family back there. Okay guys, that's it. I told you this truck is off the hook awesome, but that's it. Hope that you like this video. If you got any questions, feel free to give us a phone call up here, area code 740-992-4443 with any questions, and we'd love to get you in this truck. Have a great day.